Hello, it's your babe, Asanwa Baby. Today I'm going to share with you guys my beauty hack, how I cover my gray hair in between dye. So this is my hair close up. Yeah, see, you can see the gray hairs here. Yeah, see, so we'll be using this mascara. So you can use any mascara. I'm using one from MAC, or any mascara can do. So I'm going to use it to cover the gray hair. So I'll be using a light stroke. So I'll be doing light stroke. And guys, this mascara is a waterproof mascara and it's going to last me all day. So yeah, can you see? Just cover.